to do some work, and I'm probably not going to talk a lot. Okay, so I am trying to set up this thing called FUNraise. And what FUNraise is a platform where you can, come on, Billy, where you can easily, and this is true, easily do an online fundraiser. The problem with anything like this is that it takes forever to do it right. So let me kind of show you a little bit about what my world is like. Oh, that's okay. So hang on. Now we're going to be using H5P to do some really cool stuff on our educational stuff. That's the current thing. This is the, let's see, don't need that. Email. All right, so this is the, this is part of the fundraiser I'll come back to. Slack channel. Some details. Okay, go over there. Integrate you soon. Okay, that's from our page. This is Canva. I've been working in here a bit. It's got some great art. Don't need this calendar right now. Yeah, no thanks. All right, there's fundraise and there's double the donation. All right. So what I was doing earlier was trying to figure out how to get the fundraiser stuff up on. So it goes to YouTube. All right. So here are the pieces of media, and you can click on these, and you can see this was slide 90. This is alt text, title, captions, descriptions, blah, blah, blah. Thing is that I need to figure out how to make it so that when you click this thing and it posts to Facebook, once you get to Facebook, that when you click on it, it takes you to our fundraiser. And let's see, what does our fundraiser actually look like? Okay, private message. So let's see. Right now, I just take it to go back to the main page. Okay, so let's see what the settings. Okay, so this is this thing called Simple Share or something like that. Yeah, Snappy Share or something like that. Anyway, it's pretty good, so it works. And they have this thing called a selector. And what this selector does is it allows you to put in some information that says, hey, I think it probably puts it in like the header somewhere, but basically it puts this thing in here that says what you want it to do. So what this is doing right now is it says page ID 4188, which is the name of the page that I want to share things from. So from that page, I want to share these images. Now that only took me an hour to figure out how the hell that freaking worked. And right now I'm only trying to post to Facebook. So given that's a case, the next question is, how do I send it back? Okay. Man, I was tired last night. Let's see. So yes, here's, all magic comes from the selector options. Okay, all images. Nope, we just set it on just one page. We did that. Single page, we did that. Don't need archive pages. Product categories, nope. Don't worry about that. Taxonomy, nope. Blog posts, not worry about that. Enable on all pages except sometimes. Okay, so this isn't what I need. Let's see, customize content. I believe this is the page I looked at and got confused by. All right. This is just always gives me confidence. Plug in, give you great flexibility. Okay. Title, description, image, URL. Let's see what it looks like if I try to put that in here. you put it in, you put a dot in front of it like the other ones. I know you better put a comma. Separate on commas. All right, so this is what it needs to look like. If you want to customize a shared title for a specific image, okay, so I got to do that for every image on the page. First plugin looks for data title attribute of shared image. If it's not exists, then it's search for title attribute of the same image. Okay, so if it doesn't have a data title, it looks for title. Okay, so far my media library most uses first one as a title as that. And this is the one that starts with slide 90. Okay, since that's all saved, let's take a look. All right. This is my post. All right, we'll refresh. This is the one that says, all right, so I get to number 1. Okay, so here we go. I renamed that earlier, so let's see. All right, look at that. The title pops up over it. And I finally got that part right, so that's right. Alt text. Let's just say, let's go crazy. And what we put in the description. Okay, well, I know all that stuff is in there, so let's close this. Open this back up. Refresh the live page. Is it in the alt text here? No. All right, waiting for Facebook. That's weird. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and click to share it. Hey, look at there. All right, so the title of the picture, that's great. And reefcares.org came over as the, wait, and it just do, yeah, reefcares.org. I wonder if that's just the web page. Nothing else on this picture indicates that it's reefcares.org. All right, so that's got to be the page. Duh, here we go. All right, we'll see. Let's share this on another page. Good old DJ Spitball. Now we'll go over here and load up our good friend DJ Spitball. All right, we'll delete yesterday's post. Okay, so here's our good old friend DJ Spitball, and we will post. That's not good. Nobody needs to know that. All right. All right, Spitball. Let's refresh and see if we got a post. Well, it's interesting that that shows up. I'm okay with that. It's a good choice. Let's like it. And let's look at the picture. Oh, holy moly. It took me right to the fundraise page. Okay, that's right where it came from. Perfect. I got no complaints about that, except that I don't want it to go back to this page. I want it to go somewhere else. But the good news is, I got the name right, and it takes me there. That's fantastic. Does it show me? Doesn't show me where it goes. All right. Check mark. That's one. Oh, okay, interesting. All right. Yeah, Restream's pretty cool. I've never used this before. Okay. So that part worked. Now the question is, how do I get it to come back to the page I want? Let's see, customize content. I know it was here somewhere. Okay, customize description. No, not yet. Customize image. No, not yet. Customize link. By default, the plugin will share the link to the page where your shared image is located, but you can simply change this. All what is need to be done is to specify data URL attribute with the link you want to be shared. Okay. So the plugin looks first for data URL attribute, and only if it's empty or doesn't exist, plugin use current page URL as shared link. In the example below, user will share desired image, but when someone clicks on it in the social network, he will be redirected to the whatever page. Okay, so maybe I could just use this part. Because it starts with data. All right, so here we go. Comma. Data URL equals dot. I remember yesterday you have to write all of that stuff. Save. And we will go to our fundraising toolkit and we will refresh to make sure it has all the new stuff. We will get old our good buddy DJ Spitball up here. And we will delete the previous one that worked. Sort of worked. Well, worked to the degree it needed to work. All right, Spitball. Gone. Perfect. All right, let's do this. Share it to the page I manage, and that would be DJ Spitball. Posting as DJ Spitball. Because I know the page. All right, and let us see. Posted. Refreshing. All right, still says reefcares.org, which is good. Everything else looks good. Let's click it. Come on. Nope, not yet. Fail. Oh, wait a minute. I did that. All right, so God, did it not save it? Maybe that's because there's a problem with it. Should have checked that first. Okay, this time it's still, this time it's there. All right, repeat. And this is what my name is like right now. Freaking crazy. Okay, so this has been refreshed and cannot click it. That sounds like something must have been a problem. Never had that problem before with this. And not working. All right, so it was a nice try. Okay, so data-URL equals, and there's the thing. It's a quote. go crazy. All right, refresh stage. First, we'll see if it actually gives me a fundraising. Come on, Facebook, click. Nope. Let's go back to the settings. Yes, it kept it. And yes, that is a comma. That's a period. Why do they have a period? Save it again, just for the fun of it. And my nose itches. All right, let's make sure that I didn't do something else stupid. Put everything back like they were. Let's see if the little F comes up here. Finish loading. All right. Yep, there it is. So it works. At least that part works. And now back to this. Example below. Okay, whatever. We'll just we'll go for it inside the braces. Why not? So link to my beautiful site, I believe. Isn't that what they call it? Yep, my beautiful image. Now, it's weird because I can swear they said that you have to have the complete URL. Oh shit, let's put an S in there too while we're at it. Some bitches about that. And it's got the brace at the end. There we go. Nope. Okay. Just one more time to make sure. Nope. And it deleted it. All right, let's go crazier. Oh, that won't work because there's not a no idea. Back to the no idea problem. All right, so data URL. Okay, well, all that needs to be done is specify data URL attribute with link that you want to be shared. There's the URL source, wherever the fuck that comes from. So first plugin looks for data URL attribute, and only if it is empty or doesn't exist. See, why don't you just tell me that that goes into the selector thing? Isn't that what this is supposed to be? Plugin, you do this stuff. I don't need more control of this. I just need to know. Data URL attribute. data. Oh, that's great. Whatever that means. Who's dinging me? Man, there's some cool stuff going on here in Restream. Thumbs up to Restream. All right, so we're still on. Oh, look at that community forum. Data. Data URL. I need to say attribute. It's the one that's saying it. All right, this will be all that. This looks good. Shares image, but all right. Oh, finally, somebody asked the question on the image elegant. Oh, so okay, hold on. Plugin settings page. Oh, okay, good. So we're getting closer. Go to the plugin page settings and turn on use intermediate page. All right, so let's see. Add data URL attribute on the image element. On the image element. What the fuck is the image element? Okay, here's the image element. All right, show advanced options. Okay, image element. This is a great. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Maybe this has a clue. Well, at least I don't. At least I'm not trying to support WhatsApp. All about the good searches. You can embed the image data directly. Ugh, no, I need data URL. Keep that fucker right close. I have to add a URL into a data URL attribute. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, when shouldn't I use it? That's exactly what I want. No. Okay, I've got an image in there. All right, let's just go ahead and try this one. All right. Isn't this the one I just tried? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not going to happen. Yeah, no, it's not going to happen. Hey, here we go. What is a data URL? That's a good point. Inline data, commonly used to embed images in HTML and CSS. All right. Okay, well, maybe here's an idea. Maybe this isn't even in the. Maybe it's not in the image. Maybe it's in the page that I'm using. All right, so let's see. Let's just edit this. Are there any other instances of it? No. Nope. 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 No header in it. Nope. All right. Let's just go here. Okay, well, I have to admit that I am clueless when it comes to this stuff. So, no, that's not going to matter. And why would it matter in the image anyway? On-click action, run special code that makes it do what it's supposed to do. All right, well, that didn't really work out very well. All right. Data URLs. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so let's say add your WordPress menu. Oh, this looks good. Using the data URL custom setting, add some other hashtag to my URL. Oh, is this where you were before? Ooh, wait a minute. Seriously, login. I'm logged into. Oh, that's right. There's WordPress. It's different. If you need help. All right, there. Gosh dang it! Come on, stop it. Let's reload this page and open it somewhere else. Oh my gosh, what is the deal? All right, so custom attributes manage. Custom attributes. Custom. How do you add custom attributes to a friggin'? What am I doing wrong? I can't change the link. I don't need alt text. Not a title or capture. Description. View attachment page. Edit more details. Well, that's a new one. File URL. Okay, so I'm on only one media page. I do love this. This works perfectly. But I'm just not. I need to optimize it. Do you see the thing I'm looking for? Because I'm not seeing it. How about help? That's a good one. Let's go back to our. Oh, look, it finally loaded. All right. What did you do, man? All right, DJ. All right. Did I post it? No, about to post it. Post to the spitball. And refresh. All right, that's just going to take me back. It's going to take me to share this image pro. Share. I can't quite figure out what's going to go to. Yeah, it looks like that on mine too. Why would it even do that? All right, that's ridiculous. There's an unknown connection between Cloudflare and. Well, I don't know what Cloudflare is doing. Oh, okay, good. There we go. That's not my problem. So you worked DJ as best you can. Can somebody just show me a freaking picture? That's all I need, man. Just need a screenshot. Okay, here we go. Data URL. I'm going to give this 5 more minutes before I freaking quit for now. All right, go back to the media library. Oh, I can't stand it. Right. Media library. Oh, shit. Saving data URI? Maybe that's supposed to be now. Upload image. No. Get image URL. sake. 6 years ago, I still think that's URL. No, it says URI a bunch of times, so it must be that. I need URL, maybe. Quotes. Check one more thing. Let's use what I'm using. All right, this is the one. All right. Edit page. I just don't know. I'm totally clueless, man. Totally clueless. All right, let's try the. What's that column? That's stupid. Okay, I give up. Uh-oh. What's this? Uh-oh. Holy moly. This could be it. Add this again. Oh, here we go. All right, come on. Define the URL title and image only for certain services and pictures to share. You do it one of 4 ways. Well, surely one of them sets the return thing. If the code you are using has the add this toolbox in it. Don't need a toolbox? Add this. Just want to know, how do you... All right, so this is our tools use this. Okay, I see how the tools use. Oh, this is perfect. Here we go. Yeah, WordPress provides a way to grab the existing page URL and title, which is helpful in adding the code to the work. Oh, hold on. Hey, what's going on? Uh-oh. Hey, okay, so you can hear me?